Okay then, I'm now entering into the apartment. It's a 1-bedroom Clinton Hill apartment. There are no utilities included for this apartment. As you can see, nice closet space. Ooh, they have it locked off so you can see. This would be the common area. You see very high ceiling, recessed lighting. Video intercom system. There's that bike again. See, lots of natural light. Wired for cable. Ample outlets. As you can see. It's the kitchen area. See, dishwasher, range, microwave built in. So now the restroom, everything in here is pretty much self-explanatory. More closet space. Switch box, the switch box and the thermostat. And here's the actual bedroom. Oh, there's already an air conditioning in here. Well, that's convenient. And there's the closet. Once again, the baseboard heating and ample power outlets. So there you have it. It's a 1-bedroom, new construction apartment in the Clinton Hill section of Brooklyn. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Everything was clear and you're interested, and you can come down and rent this joint.